Everyone, welcome back. I'm at Walgreens. This is the sales week of November 1st through November 7th. I'm going to do, I think, 2 or 3 transactions. I'm going to start with the first transaction. I'm going to grab 2 of these Poise pads. They're 2 for $10 this week. I have a $5 off of 2 digital. That's going to bring me down to $5. I'll pay the $5. I'll get back a $5 register reward and $2 each on Ibotta for a total of $4, making this the final cost of a $4 moneymaker. With my first transaction, I'm going to pick up 2 of these Crest mouthwash. They are on sale this week for $4. My store is not tagged. I'm going to use the $3 off of 2 digital. It's going to bring me down to $5, and then I'm going to get back a $5 register reward for buying 2, making them completely free. Last 2 items in the first transaction, I'm going to pick up 2 of these Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, 1 of each. They're priced at $4.99 this week. They are not tagged at my store again. The total is going to be $9.98. I'm going to use a $4 off of 2 digital. That's going to bring me down to $5.98. I'm going to get a $2 register reward. That's going to make these a final cost of $3.98 or $1.99 each. Second transaction, first thing I'm going to grab are 3 of these Pampers wipes. This week they're 3 for $7.50. We have the $1.50 off IVC. You can clip it to your card or scan the booklet at the register. That's going to bring me down to $6. And then I'm going to use this 50 cent off of 2 Pampers wipes. It's going to bring me down to $5.50 for all 3. Next item I'm going to grab are 2 of these Arm & Hammer 21 packs. I'm going to grab 2 for $6. Swagbucks is offering 900 points back when you buy 2, which is equal to $9. So it's automatically a $3 moneymaker. And then Shopkick is offering 400 quicks for when you buy 1. So that's another, I want to say dollar something. I will put the correct math on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these. I'm also going to grab one of these Scott paper towels. This week they are $5 and we have a $1.25 instant savings coupon, and then we have a $1 digital. That's going to bring this down to $2.75. Grab 3 of these complete home sandwich bags. This week they are $2.79. Buy 1 get 2 free, making them 93 cents each. A freebie that's always good to have in the house. I'm going to pick up 2 of these Swanson chicken broths. This week they are 2 for $1, and then Ibotta's going to give me back $1 for buying 2, making them completely free. So this is everything. I'm going to roll into the second transaction. This is the only paper coupon that I am using this week. We do have a digital, also 50 cents off of 2, but I'm going to use the paper one because I want to make sure it comes off. Did get the buy 1 sandwich bag, get 2 free, so that has no coupon. So these will attach to those hopefully, and hopefully all of my other digitals come off as well. Okay everyone, so I made it back home. This is everything I picked up in the first transaction. Here's the receipt. Here's the 2 Poise at 2 for $10 right here. And then the Tresemme $4.99 each. The Crest 2 for $4 at $8. My 5 off of 2 Poise came off. My 4 off of 2 Tresemme came off. And my $3 off of 2 Crest came off. These were all digital coupons. My subtotal was $15.98. With tax was $18.50. I rolled 5,000 points. I paid $13.50 on my debit card. I did get back a $5 register reward for buying 2 Poise, a $5 register reward for buying 2 Crest, and then I did get back the $2 register reward for the 2 Tresemme, bringing me to $12 in register rewards. And then I did get back $4 for the Poise, 2 for each one on Ibotta. So on my subtotal, it was a $1.02 moneymaker. After my tax, it was $2.50 for all 6 items. Here are the nice bags, $2.79, and the other 2 were free. The Arm & Hammer Power Packs, 2 for $6. The Swanson chicken broth were 2 for $1. The Pampers wipes were 3 for $7.50, and then my Scott paper towel was $5 minus the $1.25 IVC came off of the Scott paper towels, and the $1.50 IVC came off of the Pampers. I did clip those to my cards, so they were digitals. And then my Pampers, I used a paper coupon, but this can be an all digital scenario for both transactions if you use the digital coupon, because we do have a digital. The $1 digital for the Scott came off. I rolled the $12 in register rewards for my previous transaction. My subtotal was $6.04. With tax was $7.98. I rolled 3,000 in points, paid $4.98 cash out of pocket, and then I got back 550 points on Fetch for the Scott paper towels, or 55 cents. I got back $1 for the Swanson chicken broth on Ibotta, and then I got back $9 or 900 Swagbucks on Swagbucks, $1.60 on Shopkick, So that made these free and a $4.60 moneymaker for just the Arm & Hammer packs alone. My second transaction was $604 before tax, $798 with tax. I got back $12.50 in rebates. That makes my subtotal a $6.11 moneymaker, and after tax a $4.17 moneymaker. So both transactions together, all 17 items were free. I had a subtotal moneymaker of $6.13. After tax, all 17 items were still a $1.67 moneymaker. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.